guys, I'm so excited. I could walk up the stairs. I'm held onto the railing, of course. I'm healing. Thank God I'm healing. I'm still a little stiff. I did take Tylenol arthritis, and I'm about to take my shake and tell you what I do when I have an injury like I had. I fell down the stairs, for those of you who don't know. By the way, my live stream is up. The timestamps are up. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Sabrina. Thank you to all the mods that kept the chat clean. So all the timestamps are up, guys. There's more evidence. If you don't believe me that the digital systems are, the Iraqi dinar is on the blockchain. And that is the system they're following to get increased purchasing power, which is all we're looking for. That's all the citizens want, is increased purchasing power. And it's worth more than $1 right now. So go watch that live. I also did a post where the link is there if you can't find it. So look, just go to my homepage, look at my picture, go there, you'll see my whole homepage. If you see it on your phone, you might have to swipe left to see the posts. And you'll see a link where I said, and they said it's starting with one bank. I think it's the Rafidian, and the Rashid Bank is now starting to implement it. Those are the two government-owned banks right now. They're implementing it first. So that's your Iraqi dinar update. On other news, this is what I'm doing, because the reason why I'm healing fast is because I'm taking a lot of Provantage. This is the muscle formula. I've got some muscle pain and strain, and I always use this. Will I do some chocolate protein powder in addition to this? Yes, because I need a lot of protein. I had a pizza last night, so I did like 3 or 4 scoops of this. I did, which is good, guys. It tastes like vanilla cake batter. I'm doing the heart health formula. Why? Because be still my heart. I've got so many people that don't believe this, but guys, I'm going to be live at 2. So this is and I will do an intel summary as well. Even though it's a Sabbath, why? We're so close to this. We need to pray this in, and I'm helping people pray it in. I also prayed powerful prayers. Go on my live stream, watch the first hour. I prayed about everything. I prayed about Israel. I prayed about our streets for whatever's going on here. I'm doing a full scoop of Fiber Store. I'm also doing a full scoop of Arth Effect. These are the products I take that help my body heal fast. Guys, if you eat sugar-laden foods, you're going to feel pain. You're going to feel inflammation. I'm 59. If you want to look young and not feel old and not have to, I decree and declare, I'm getting younger and younger every day. I'm getting younger and younger every day. And 24K, so I can be live at 2 and do the summary before I'm live, so I can go through the news articles in summary format, and you can ask me any questions at 2. That's the reason why I do this. That's the reason why I work so hard, is so you can get on and ask me any questions. Because guys, the time is short that this thing, I think, is going to be revealed. Because also the USDC, the United States Digital Coin, is also on the XRP, which should make XRP. If you hold XRP, comment down below. I'm a holder of XRP. I just don't have everything in XRP, right? I believe in Ecclesiastes 11:1 that you should, what is that? I'm watching the puppy. Ecclesiastes 11:1 that you should divide your seed. And your seed in this world is currency. You should divide everything, the cryptocurrencies, the whatever. You should divide it 7 as many as 8 times, because you don't know what evil's coming. So look, I'm going to blend this up with some yogurt. Actually, I'm going to keep going because I haven't done one of these in a while. I'll put this under my nutritional playlist, but also under my Iraqi dinar summary playlist. So you always water first, then the powder, and it all mixes together to be a glorious thing. And I'm going to do yogurt. You can do this as meal replacement. It's going to save you money every month. And my handy fancy charger, or my fancy phone holder that follows me, is on the charger, so I can go live at 2. So I'm going to be live at 2 answering your questions. So I do a big scoop of this. I'm intermittent fasting and praying for this. Join me. Whatever fast you want to do it. Join us. We're fasting and praying the Iraqi dinar revaluation in. What else am I going to do? Lord Jesus, help me. You know what? I'm going to do blueberries today. Why? They're anti-inflammatory. All berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, all anti-inflammatory. You need to know these things. If you get the sugar out of your diet, cancer cannot live if you get the sugar out of your diet. It just can't. It doesn't. Sugar feeds it. Sugar feeds it. And hormones feed it. Some people's cancers are estrogen dominant, etc. So if you take the HRT, that could put you in a bad place. saying. So what do? I also have a hormone health company. This is one of their products. I took that this morning. The other product I recommend is I'm not taking it today. I take one day off to let my pituitary. It's called Somaderm. If you want the link, email me, text me, whatever. I'll send you the link for this. This helps my hormones. I have less hot flashes when I do this. So this is what my shake looks like. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Got a variety of colors today. I got a green straw and a green and blue glass. So here you go. Cheers to health and to the Iraqi dinar revaluation. Get on it too if you have questions. Look at my intel summary. I'll post that a little bit later. But guys, I love you all. My husband's at a training. That's why I can go live at 2. See you then. Bye.